Hello, my dear students. Welcome in our today's lecture. Today we are going to learn about the sulfonation of aniline. In previous lecture, we had completed the two identification test for basic nature of amine. One is the litmus paper test. Second one is a reaction with hydrochloric acid. After completion of identification test, we had studied two chemical properties of aniline. One is the bromination of aniline and second one is an nitration of aniline. So today we are going to learn about the sulfonation of aniline. Sulfonation, S-U-L-F-O-N-A-T-I-O-N, sulfonation of aniline. अगर बेटा F नहीं लिखना है, so it will be written as S-U-L-P-H-O-N-A-T-I-O-N, sulfonation. Now question would arise, what is sulfonation? Now addition of sulfuric acid is called as sulfonation. Addition of sulfuric acid H2SO4 is called as sulfonation. Or addition of sulfonic group SO3H. SO3H, this group is called sulfonic group. So addition of sulfonic group is called as sulfonation. Or the scientific definition of sulfonation is the replacement of hydrogen from benzene ring of aniline by sulfonic group is called as sulfonation of aniline. तो बेटा वो रिएक्शन जिसमें एनिलीन के बेंजीन रिंग का हाइड्रोजन एटम रिप्लेस होता है सल्फोनिक ग्रुप का यूज करके, उस रिएक्शन को कहेंगे सल्फोनेशन. सो रिप्लेसमेंट ऑफ हाइड्रोजन फ्रॉम बेंजीन रिंग ऑफ एनिलीन बाय सल्फोनिक ग्रुप SO3H group is called as sulfonation. It is SULFONATION, sulfonation of aniline. Right? Now when aniline undergoes sulfonation, right, then finally it forms sulfanilic acid. बेटे जब एनिलीन का सल्फोनेशन होता तो बेटा वो फाइनली फॉर्म करता बेटा सल्फेनिलिक एसिड. व्हाट इट फॉर्म? इट फॉर्म सल्फेनिलिक एसिड. नाउ इन द फर्स्ट स्टेप एनिलीन रिएक्ट विथ सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड टू फॉर्म एनिलीनियम हाइड्रोजन सल्फेट. पहले बेटा एनिलीन का फॉर्मूला बेंजीन रिंग NH2, it is aniline. It is also called phenylamine or IUPAC name benzenamine. So when aniline react with sulfuric acid, now this sulfuric acid undergoes dissociation to form H positive and OSO3H negative. या बेटे simply H positive HSO4 negative. Now this H positive added to NH2 group, then it becomes NH3 positive. Right? So beta benzene ring NH3 positive, HSO4 negative. Now this compound is called anilinium hydrogen sulfate. This much group is called anilinium. H means hydrogen, SO4 means sulfate. So at first aniline react with sulfuric acid to form anilinium hydrogen sulfate. Then sulfonation is carried out at para position. बेटा फिर सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड की रिएक्शन पैरा पोजीशन पे, राइट. नाउ सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड रिटर्न एज OH और ये बेटा SO3H. OH SO3H. Now one hydrogen from this para position and these OH combines to form H2O. ये बेटा कंबाइन हुआ बन गया बेटा H2O. Right. Now these SO3H group attach on para position. SO3H group attach on para position and from here H2SO4 is released. यहाँ से बेटा वापस रिलीज हो जाएगा H2SO4. So benzene ring NH2 SO3H and this compound is called sulfanilic acid. So at start aniline react with sulfuric acid. एनिलीन बेटा रिएक्ट करता सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड के साथ टू फॉर्म एनिलीनियम हाइड्रोजन सल्फेट. एनिलीनियम हाइड्रोजन सल्फेट. नाउ दिस एनिलीनियम हाइड्रोजन सल्फेट undergoes sulfonation at para position to form sulfanilic acid. So in this way sulfonation of aniline is carried out, right. Now see here, now when hydrogen atom of sulfonic group of sulfanilic acid shifted to amino group, listen carefully, when hydrogen atom of sulfonic group is shifted to amino group, this NH2 group becomes NH3 positive and SO3H becomes SO3 negative, and this ion is called zwitter ion. ZWITTER, zwitter ion. So what is zwitter ion? It is ion formed when hydrogen atom of sulfonic group is shifted towards amino group. तो बेटा जब सल्फानिलिक एसिड का सल्फोनिक ग्रुप का हाइड्रोजन शिफ्ट होता है अमाइनो ग्रुप की तरफ, तो बेटा जो आयन फॉर्म करता दैट आयन इज कॉल्ड zwitter ion and formula of zwitter ion is benzene ring NH3 positive SO3 negative. So in this way sulfonation of aniline is carried out. So these three are the electrophilic substitution reaction of aniline. One is an bromination, second one is an nitration, and third one is an sulfonation. Okay, any difficulty up to here? Now we will see benzene diazonium salt. Diazonium salt, DIAZONIUM, diazonium salt. Right? Now question would arise, what do you mean by diazonium salt? Now alkyl diazonium halide. Alkyl diazonium. Di means two, azo means nitrogen, nium means positive charge, and alkyl means R, halide means X. So R N2 positive, X negative, it is alkyl diazonium halide. Or aryl, aryl means benzene ring, aryl diazonium halide C6H5N2 positive, X negative, right, is called as diazonium salt. So what is diazonium salt? Alkyl diazonium halide or aryl diazonium halide is called as diazonium salt. Alkyl diazonium halide Rn2 positive X negative. Aryl diazonium halide C6H5 N2 positive X negative. Now keep one thing in your mind. Alkyl diazonium halide, they are highly unstable, do not exist in nature. अल्काइल डाइअजोनियम हाइलाइड बेटा हाईली अनस्टेबल कंपाउंड है, वो नेचर में बेटा एग्जिस्ट नहीं करते हैं. देयरफॉर वी हैव टू लर्न अबाउट ओनली अराइल डाइअजोनियम हाइलाइड एज एन डाइअजोनियम सॉल्ट. इसलिए बेटा हमको सिर्फ क्या स्टडी करना है, अराइल डाइअजोनियम हाइलाइड. ठीक है. एंड दोज रिएक्शन इन विच प्राइमरी एरोमेटिक अमाइन is converted into diazonium salt, that reaction is called diazotization. तो बेटा वो रिएक्शन जिसमें प्राइमरी एरोमेटिक अमाइन मीन्स containing benzene ring, primary means NH2 group. So बेटा aniline, it is an primary aromatic amine, and such reaction in which primary aromatic amine is converted into diazonium salt, that reaction is called diazotization. तो बेटा वो रिएक्शन, वो प्रोसेस, वो फिनोमिना जिसमें बेटा प्राइमरी एरोमेटिक अमाइन का कन्वर्शन होता, किसका बेटा, प्राइमरी एरोमेटिक अमाइन का कन्वर्शन होता डाइअजोनियम सॉल्ट में, उस रिएक्शन को बोलते बेटा diazotization. Now listen carefully. Now these aryl diazonium salt are stable for a few times, short times, right, and slowly decomposed, right, even at low temperature. बेटा बेंजीन डाइअजोनियम हाइलाइड और अराइल डाइअजोनियम हाइलाइड, these salts are stable for short time, बहुत कम टाइम के लिए बेटा अराइल डाइअजोनियम हाइलाइड सॉल्ट स्टेबल है. even they are decomposed, decompose means breaking, so they undergoes decomposition even at low temperature. तो बेटा उसको हीट करने की भी जरूरत नहीं है, लो टेम्परेचर पे बेटा उसका डिकम्पोजिशन होता. डिकम्पोजिशन मीन्स ब्रेकिंग, राइट. देयरफॉर दे शुड बी यूज इमीडिएटली आफ्टर इट्स प्रिपरेशन. इसलिए बेटा उसको प्रिपेयर करते यूज कर लेना चाहिए. प्रिपेयर करने के बाद बेटा उसको ज्यादा देर के लिए रखे तो बेटा उसका डिकम्पोजिशन हो जाता, उसका बेटा ब्रेकिंग हो जाती. देयरफॉर दे शुड बी यूज इमीडिएटली आफ्टर इट्स प्रिपरेशन. इसलिए बेटा उसको इमीडिएटली प्रिपेयर करने के बाद यूज कर लेना चाहिए, राइट. नाउ वी विल सी प्रिपरेशन ऑफ डाइअजोनियम सॉल्ट, मीन्स हाउ इट इज प्रिपेयर्ड. सो प्रिपरेशन ऑफ डाइअजोनियम सॉल्ट, राइट. अब बेटा स्टडी करेंगे हम डाइअजोनियम सॉल्ट का प्रिपरेशन. नाउ व्हेन एनिलीन react with sodium nitrite NaNO2 and HCl at 273 to 278 Kelvin temperature. So when aniline, formula of aniline C6H5NH2, it is aniline. So when aniline react with sodium nitrite formula NaNO2 and HCl hydrochloric acid at 273 to 278 Kelvin temperature. 273 to 278 means 0 to 5 degree. 0 to 5 degree. Now 0 to 5 degree means cold condition. Means this reaction is carried out in cold condition. So aniline C6H5NH2 plus NaNO2 sodium nitrite. So when aniline react with sodium nitrite and HCl at 273 to 278 Kelvin temperature, right. Now these two hydrogen combine with two oxygen to form 2H2O. Two hydrogen from amino group, two hydrogen from HCl, and two oxygen from NaNO2. They combines to form 2H2O. Right? Now these Na combine with one Cl to form NaCl, sodium chloride. Now what will left here? Benzene ring N. From here N, N2 positive, and from here Cl negative. So they combines together to form C6H5, N2 positive, Cl negative. So when aniline react with sodium nitrite and HCl at 273 to 278 Kelvin temperature, means under cold condition, then it form benzene diazonium chloride. So what are these two hydrogen? These two hydrogen combined with two oxygen to form 2H2O. Now these sodium combined with one Cl to form NaCl. Now this C6H5N, these N, these Cl combines to form C6H5, N2 positive, Cl negative, and this compound is called benzene diazonium chloride. Now it is primary aromatic amine. है ना बेटा? Why it is called primary aromatic amine? Because it contains the benzene ring. So primary aromatic amine is converted into diazonium salt. Primary aromatic amine is converted into diazonium salt. Such reaction is called diazotization. Okay. Now this benzene diazonium chloride, it is colorless crystalline solid. बेटा benzene diazonium chloride colorless है, do not having any color. It is crystalline solid, और बेटा ये crystalline solid है. Now it is soluble in water. ये बेटा compound water में बेटा soluble है, and it is stable at room temperature for short time. बेटा ये short time के लिए बेटा stable है. Right? Now it undergoes decomposition easily in dry state. ये बेटा easily बेटा decompose हो जाता dry state में. So benzene diazonium chloride, it is colorless crystalline solid, soluble in water and stable for short time at low temperature, and it decompose easily in dry state. Now keep one key point in your mind और one special note. अब बेटा यहाँ पे अगर अपन ने आयोडीन लिए, सो इट इज बेंजीन डाइअजोनियम आयोडाइड. अगर बेटा ब्रोमीन लिए तो बेंजीन डाइअजोनियम ब्रोमाइड. अगर बेटा फ्लोरीन लिए तो बेंजीन डाइअजोनियम फ्लोराइड. नाउ अमंग दीज डाइअजोनियम सॉल्ट, बेंजीन डाइअजोनियम आयोडाइड C6H5N2 positive I negative, more reactive than benzene diazonium bromide, more reactive than benzene diazonium chloride, more reactive than benzene diazonium fluoride. तो बेटा डाइअजोनियम सॉल्ट में सबसे ज्यादा रिएक्टिव है बेंजीन डाइअजोनियम आयोडाइड, उससे कम बेटा बेंजीन डाइअजोनियम ब्रोमाइड, उससे कम बेटा बेंजीन डाइअजोनियम क्लोराइड, सबसे कम बेटा बेंजीन डाइअजोनियम फ्लोराइड. ओके, टुमारो वी विल सी chemical property of this diazonium salt. Okay.